Top 5 most terrifying plastic surgeries in history. Number 5. Rodrigo Alves. Rodrigo Alves, who has spent more than £300,000 on plastic surgery, was rushed to hospital after contracting a flesh-eating infection following a nose reconstruction. After the operation, a hole began to appear in his nose, and his new septum appeared to come loose. Slowly, the hole grew and he began having trouble breathing. Doctors said the infection could eat through his nose into his face, which could become gangrenous. Due to the risk of the infection turning gangrenous, doctors decided to rebuild Alves' nose using cartilage from his rib area. Number 4. Regina Rinsen. Regina Rinsen is a transgender woman who had her face horribly damaged after it was injected with cement and tire sealant by an unlicensed plastic surgeon. In an attempt to achieve a feminine look, Raji had injections in her cheeks, chin and lips. Initially, everything was fine, but then she started feeling like a huge boil on the side of her face, and then it kept getting bigger and bigger until it exploded. Too embarrassed to leave the house, Raji spent years in solitude suffering from post-traumatic stress until a licensed surgeon decided to help her. Number 3. Han Myoko. Former Korean model Han Myoko was obsessed with silicone injections as she wanted to have a smoother and softer skin. She had her first procedure aged 28 and then moved to Japan where she had repeated treatments. Doctors eventually refused to carry out any more work on her after her face became noticeably enlarged. However, she managed to get hold of a bottle of silicone and syringe to self-inject, but when that ran out, she resorted to use cooking oil. After her DIY beauty treatment, she was so disfigured that not even her own parents could recognize her. Number 2. April Michelle Brown. Hairstylist April Michelle Brown spent 5 years in excruciating pain after an unlicensed practitioner injected her buttocks with bathroom sealant, telling her it was silicone, in order to enhance them. Doctors had no idea how to treat the botched implants and told her she might have to live with the agony. However, when they finally operated, the injections became so badly infected that doctors were forced to induce Brown into a coma and carry out 27 operations in order to stop the infection. When Brown awoke 2 months later, she found that doctors had to amputate her legs, arms and butt to keep her alive. Number 1. April Jenkins. April Jenkins tragically died while undergoing liposuction. According to the police report, Jenkins complained during the procedure of feeling tearing and burning sensations. The medical staff told April to be quiet and then she had paid for the procedure. They also placed a propofol-soaked rag in Jenkins' mouth to shut her up. Following the procedure, Jenkins began making odd moaning noises before having a seizure and falling into respiratory arrest due to fluid buildup. The medical examiner found a perforation in Jenkins' diaphragm, as well as multiple punctures wound to her liver. That's the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching.